Holy.
We're all going. The 4-man vlog. Everybody's been asking for it. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce me and my MT10. We got Brian on his Aprilia. We got Luke Dukel back there on the Daytona Moto2. And we got Bo here on the Bolt. We have full Wreck Bike Rebuild squad. We got cameras on everybody. Today's video is finding out what everybody else thinks about the Moto2. I've already done my first ride. If you guys want to go see that video, you can. Everybody say hey on the video. Edit one at a time. Prove that you can talk is what I'm okay, Bo can talk. Brian, can you talk? Okay.
Yes.
Luke, can you talk?
Hey.
God. Okay, there we go. All right, boys and girls, let's find out what people think about the Moto2. All right, Luke, let's get them triple cylinders going. That'll work. Hey, bud, how you doing? Is that your first time on a triple?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Hey, Brian, damn it.
And it makes me miss my L-twin even more.
I said, what are your thoughts on that carbon fiber monster that you got there?
I want to get off of it as fast as possible because it's insane how fast it can go.
Right. You were saying it
It's
felt
one of those
like really
bikes that when you
controlled.
ride, it's like you have to constantly be you always have to be searching for the next point of where you're going.
But it's oddly in control though, right? Like you feel
No, that's
like
what I'm saying is that it
you're
goes
doing
exactly where you
sketchy
want it
shit.
to go. So you have to pick where you want it to go.
that bike's just like, oh, you want to go that way? Cool. That's the
Yeah, it's
way
just
we're
like
now going.
you point it exactly where you want it to go, and it's there. Requires a little bit more planning.
Because of the speed at which you're going through shit.
Yeah.
Compared to the monster that you're typically on. If you guys that don't know, Luke typically rides a Monster 1200R. So you're coming from a position of riding a more upright motorcycle, and you're a taller rider, just so people can understand like your position. Because Brian's gonna ride it in a second. Brian's used to being on an upright Aprilia, but he's a shorter rider. So we're hoping everybody's stuff can go. We gonna go? We gonna? I was just waiting for you to just goose it. I want you to feel that thing leaned over, because when I did that big turn on the first ride, my God, is it glorious.
Oh, baby.
I'm jealous of you, god dang it, I chose the wrong lane. Damn it. Alright, so from here I don't really know where to go. If anybody has recommendations.
So this next intersection, we can probably stop at that and let Brian ride and then head back.
Alright.
You want to stop at that shell?
Yeah, we'll stop at this shell, that's fine.
Bump.
Boop, boop. Mission accomplished. Hot swap.
I hear nothing.
Testing, Brian. Testing, Brian.
I'm just gonna ride it and talk about the bike, and I can't
Perfect.
talk
We'll
to
follow
anybody,
you,
so.
bud. Alright, let's see what Brian's got. Dude, that Atlas, people can sit low. helicopter with us though? Couldn't see it back there. Alright, this is where I need to be very calm. Because Brian gives me shit about how I ride. Hey! I was being not calm. I'll follow you and do stupid shit too. Oh, you got better brakes than I do though. Let's go, B! Let's go! Yeah! Alright, we're gonna go down one more exit loop. There we are. I refuse to let you guys have the fun. Coming over to the right.
All right. Now that I've got a second to give you my opinions about this thing, I was expecting a little bit more torque, but the horsepower is quite nice. The seat is super duper comfortable. Riding position is not so great if you're wearing a backpack. My helmet keeps rubbing on the back of my backpack here. But one-handed just cruising, this thing's pretty comfortable actually. Very light, maneuverable, flickable. Yeah, I could actually ride this thing for a pretty decent amount of time. I don't think it's too uncomfortable. Granted, I just got on the thing, but we are cruising at, you know, less than 30 miles an hour here in traffic, and not too uncomfortable, so. Chase is the worst person to ride with to try and follow.
Alright, I'm on chill status. I'm on chill status.
Are you sure about that?
No, I'm not, but I'm going to try my hardest. Look, I'm going 40 and I don't know how fast this road is. Look how chill I am. I am one with the chill.
The superest of chills.
The super chill. Luke, let's pull into this QT up here and let Bo jump on. Yeah. All right. Dismount.
For a short guy, you handle the Super Sport well.
All right. Bo, Moto2, Brian, Aprilia,
great f***ing bike, but holy shit, is that the worst f***ing bike. Like, it's a beautiful machine, smooth as butter, it's got power, it is comfortable for the seating position you're in, but it's the most uncomfortable seating position I've been in.
All right, so you like it, but you hate it. Basically, is what I'm saying. What I'm hearing.
I hate it. Here's the thing, from a cruiser guy.
I want to first ride on that thing.
Yes. Right. It is. Like I said before, I don't hate it because it's a sport bike. I hate it because it's a fucking race bike. Everything about it feels race bike. So,
All right, Luke, make your first right at this traffic light into this park. We're waiting for you. Make a right.
Oh, hi, Mark.
hi,
I did it.
Hold on, let me take this bad boy around the fucking parking lot real quick, boys.
Oh my god.
Look at him leaning back, straight arms and shit.
that guy eyeballed it.
Just sit right here. Give me the way right here, boys.
Dude, you made me snort.
All right. So, final thoughts on the Moto2, Luke.
Let's take it to the track. That's where it belongs.
Right. Bo, what are your final thoughts on the Moto2?
It's a fantastic bike, but it is also the worst experience of my riding history.
Brian, what do you got to say about the Moto2? Oh my god.
You know, I think it is a fantastic motorcycle. It is not your daily rider.
Right.
But if you're looking for a bike to go and kill twisties on the weekend, that's your machine right there. It is super comfortable. The seat is plush. The seating position, from my perspective, I thought was really good for a super sport. I mean, I know the seat height is tall, but the handlebars aren't too far away, like front to back. Right. So that allows for, you know, you can kind of like rest back a little bit and still reach the bars. Transmission is phenomenal. Doesn't quite have as much power as I thought it was gonna.
My first Daytona, I felt the same way. I did slightly feel that on this too. But I'm coming off of an MT10 that I ride most of the time.
And I'm coming off of a Tuono V4, and I totally get it.
That could be the issue.
You know, I get that this thing is obviously going to make more power, but I was still expecting just a little bit more from this thing.
I was surprised.
It is super smooth. The acceleration is very linear. You know, it's a super nice bike.
I think that's the main thing, is you get that linear power band with the triple, whereas with a R6 inline 4, you like it's all in one spot and you got to work the way to it. You get it the whole time on that, you know.
Yep.
All right, guys, if y'all enjoyed Team Wreck Bike Rebuild, riding around on some motorcycles, make sure to like this video and let us know what you liked about it, so we can do more of them if necessary, so we can let Luke get lost on Bo's bike. We can watch Bo attempt to ride bikes that he doesn't like a lot, which I think should be an entire series. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video and riding around with us, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye. Outro crew, if you could have one of these 4 motorcycles, which one would you pick and why?
I like how mine's hidden.
It's not hidden, I can see it. I can see it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take some photos and we're gonna call it a. Outro crew, you love you long time. Goodbye.